At para sa mga mas bata nating audience dyan, nako, ito ang paboritong puntahan ng mga estudyante sa Katipunan. Ito po ang longest running internet and gaming cafe dyan sa Katipunan Avenue. Mapapanood natin yan sa Business Lifestyle.
Sa panahon ng makabagong teknolohiya, halos lahat ng kabataan ay nahuhumaling na sa paggamit ng internet. Browse dito, browse doon. Online games dito, online games doon. Tila lahat ng bagay ay kaya na nating gawin with just a click away. Kaya naman, hindi na nakapagtataka ang pagsulpot ng mga internet cafe na talaga namang patok sa publiko. Ngunit paano nga ba pumasok sa ganitong negosyo? Tara at alamin natin ang kwento ng Blue Skies Internet and Gaming Cafe.
Hi, my name is Herbert Uchoco.
I'm Elizabeth Uchoco. I'm also owner of Blue Skies Internet Cafe.
Early 90s nang magbakasyon sa Europe ang nooy magkasintahan pa lamang na sina Herbert at Lizzie. At dito sila unang nakakita ng mga internet cafe na kalaunay papangarapin na nilang maging kanilang negosyo.
Kasi noon dati, when we were scouting for a business, that was back in 1994, medyo nauso na rin yung internet. Kasi, so what we wanted is a small cafe na nagka-cater na pwede ka mag-access ng internet. Kasi we found the idea when we went abroad. There was mga cyber cafes there, so we wanted to bring that idea here.
It was, we wanted a computer place. So there was also a computer school, and then gradually it transformed into a gaming and an internet shop. Kasi we being a gamer, we wanted to share it with others. So parang nag-evolve lang siya. So until now, it continues to evolve na it's not just a gaming, it's also with Dance Central, with rock band, with other things.
It started as a hobby, turned into a business.
Malaking importansya rin ang mga Uchoco sa tamang pag-handle ng mga customers. Malaking tulong din umano ang pagiging computer gamer ni Herbert upang magkaroon ng mas magandang relasyon sa kanilang mga suki.
The number one siguro advantage would be that the owner is also interested in games. So he has several tips to share to other customers who are, especially the new ones.
Kailangan rin makihalo sa mga customers rin.
Yeah.
Kasi you will find their current trends from them. So, ano yung uso mo ngayon, ano yung nilalaro nila, kailangan mo malaman rin.
Ngunit tulad rin ng ibang negosyo, mayroon ring setback ng pagkakaroon ng isang internet cafe.
City ordinances. Siyempre. We're near school, so we need to operate na we don't let students to enter our shop during school hours. So what we did, on our part, we placed a time code system. So parang bago sila maglaro, itatanong na ilang oras kayo maglalaro. Tapos they have a prepaid time code. Kasi kung wala siya, ano nangyayari? They forget about the time. If it's,
But it also boils down to kung may discipline yung bata. That's why we don't allow too young players unless the parents are there. But if not, usually adult naman siya, mga teenagers or even yuppies, working people. So usually, if they have the discipline naman, it wouldn't affect their studies or something.
Dagdag pa ng mag-asawang Uchoco, dahil technology advancement ang tinuturing nilang strength ng kanilang negosyo, critical para sa Blue Skies na lagi itong i-develop.
You have to continually update your computers.
Actually, for dapat 3 years ang change, every 3 years. Kasi computer hardware, they always evolve. So palaging mas maganda ngayon, mas mabilis na. So what you bought this year, by 2 to 3 years, obsolete na yun.